started our operations in the year 2010. We Antique Heating Elements are an ISO-certified company, are among the prominent manufacturers and suppliers of a qualitative array of packaging and sealing machines with over 12 years of experience in the food, hotel and restaurant industry. Under the supervision and leadership of our founder and director, Mr. Abhay Singh, we have been able to cater to a huge clientele across the nation. We believe that his experience, knowledge, business idea and customer-centric approach are driving force behind our remarkable success in this domain. To ensure we design innovative, quality packing machines and food sealing machines, our organization has gained recognition as the leading manufacturer, supplier and exporter of a wide gamut of packaging machines, hand sealing machines, foot sealing machines, band sealing machines, tray, glass and container sealing machines for food packing, etc. We have recruited knowledgeable team of professionals that is a vital asset of our company. Our team comprises engineers, quality experts and sales and marketing executives. In order to keep them updated as per the ultra-modern technological achievements, we conduct various seminars and workshops. Our team includes mechanical engineers, technicians, researchers, quality auditors, marketing and sales personnel. With a purpose to meet our common targets planned by organization, we have capitalized our robust infrastructural facility. We have installed sophisticated machinery and the most up-to-date technology in order to meet the varied requirements of our esteemed customers. Our unit is fitted with the following production machines: surface grinder, milling machines, MIG welding machine, arc welding machine, lathe machine, bending machine, buffing machine, drill machines, cutting machines, and many more machines in our unit. By offering the quality tested packaging machines, we have become the foremost choice of our customers and have gained an edge over our competitors. Our esteemed clients are Honda Cars, U-Flex Limited, Haldiram, Bikanerwala, Mithas, Paharapur Cooling Towers Limited, Hindustan Unilever, Parle G, Sarvodaya Hospital and many more. To know more about Antique Heating Elements,